Now we can derive the step response of a second order system. Step response of a second order system for underdamped case. First underdamped case. We have to study, we have to derive the expressions for all the 4 cases. First underdamped, that is the value of theta is in between 0, less than, theta less than 1. It is underdamped system. So C of S by R of S is equal to this. You have to by heart this expression. So our aim is to find a response. What do you mean by step response? Last class what do you mean by step response? The response of the system. What will be the input that particular system? If the input to the system is, if the input to a particular system is step input, the corresponding response, it is known as a step response. If the input is a step, the corresponding response of the system is known as a step response. So our aim is to find the response or the output of the system. So that is C of t. R of S is the input, C of S is the output. Therefore, C of t will be the response of the system. For that, so write C of S is equal to, our aim is to find C of t. Therefore, write C of S is equal to, and R of S, we know that it is a step input. Therefore, R of S is equal to 1 by S. Therefore, C of S is equal to omega n square divided by S square plus 2 theta omega ns plus omega n square into 1 by S. Our aim is to find the response of the system. So C of t, therefore, we have to take the partial fraction A by S plus Bs plus C divided by S square plus 2 theta omega ns plus omega n square, because this is complex conjugate. Complex roots. Therefore, Bs plus C, and find the values for A, B, and C. That you have to find. What will be the values for A, B, and C? That you just find out. So A is equal to 1. After finding, we will get A is equal to 1, B is equal to -1, and C is equal to minus, and C is equal to minus 2 theta omega n. A is equal to 1, B is equal to -1, and C is equal to minus 2 theta omega n. So substitute these values in this expression. 1 by S minus B minus and also for C it is equal to minus. So take minus outside. So S, B is equal to 1 there, minus here, plus 2 theta omega n divided by S square plus 2 theta omega ns plus omega n square. We can write this same expression as C of t inverse this is equal to C of S. C of S is equal to C of S is equal to 1 by S minus split this. Our aim is to find C of t. So we are going to make it in a standard form in order to take the inverse Laplace transform. So 1 by S minus, so split this 2 theta omega n, S plus theta omega n divided by S plus theta omega n, S plus omega n. Similarly, plus theta omega n divided by theta omega n. അതുപോലെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിലും ആ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിനെ വീണ്ടും ഒന്ന് മാറ്റി എഴുതുന്നതാണ്. S plus theta omega n the whole square plus omega d square, where omega d is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus theta square, damped frequency of oscillation. So S plus here it is S square plus 2 theta omega ns plus theta square omega n square. അപ്പോൾ അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആയി പോകാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഒമേഗ ഡി, ആ theta square omega n square, എന്നിട്ട് omega n square തന്നെ കിട്ടുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ omega d ഇങ്ങനെ മാറ്റി എഴുതി. Omega d is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus theta square. It is known as damped frequency of oscillations. Now take the inverse Laplace transform of C of S. We will get C of t. So 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega nt cos omega dt plus theta omega n by omega d into e raised to minus theta omega nt sin omega dt. ഇത് എങ്ങനെ എടുത്തതെന്നുള്ളത് അറിയാലോ അല്ലേ? ഇത് cos s divided by s square plus omega square. So cos omega dt, omega, that is omega dt, and s plus theta omega n. Therefore e raised to minus theta omega nt. This term is like this, and here there is no s in the numerator, so we can add omega d in the numerator. So sin omega t is equal to omega divided by s square plus omega square. We have to add an omega d in the numerator. Therefore, in the denominator also we have to add an omega d. Then it will get cancelled. Then the same equation. So and again there is s plus theta omega n. Therefore, e raised to minus theta omega n t. So theta omega n divided by omega d. Now take this e raised to minus theta omega nt and omega d outside. So here there is no omega d, therefore omega d cos omega dt plus theta omega n sin omega dt. That this is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega nt divided by omega d is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus theta square. So substitute that value here. And therefore, this is the expression equal to 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega nt divided by root of 1 minus theta square, root of 1 minus theta square cos omega dt plus theta sin omega dt. Now we have to consider a triangle like this with the hypotenuse 1 here, root of 1 minus theta square, theta 5. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഇങ്ങനെ എടുക്കണേന്നുള്ളത് 2-3 സ്ലൈഡ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് പറഞ്ഞു തരാം. ഇപ്പൊ ജസ്റ്റ് assume ചെയ്യുക ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഇങ്ങനെ, here the angle is 5. Therefore sin phi is equal to root of 1 minus theta square and cos phi is equal to theta. Also tan phi is equal to root of 1 minus theta square by theta. So substitute root of 1 minus theta square, it is sin phi, and theta is equal to cos phi. That is equal to c of t is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega nt divided by root of 1 minus theta square sin omega dt plus phi. From this expression, it is sin a plus b omega d. So by heart, this expression. This is the response of a underdamped second order system. Underdamped 0 less than theta less than. ഈ കേസിനാണ് ഇത് ഡിറൈവ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Underdamped system. For an underdamped second order system, the step response is c of t is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega nt divided by root of 1 minus theta into sin omega t plus phi. And here there will be there is a decaying sinusoidal signal. It has got two terms, exponential term and sinusoidal term. That is decaying sinusoidal signal. Finally it will attain this value. Time constant, here the time constant is 1 by theta omega n. 1 by theta omega n. Here e raised to minus theta omega nt. Time constant is 1 by theta omega n. First order e raised to minus t by capital T. That denominator capital T is the time constant. So here the time constant of exponential decay is 1 by theta omega n. 1 by theta omega n. Time constant for this exponential decay. So here what we are in this expression, omega d is equal to omega n into root of 1 minus theta square, and phi is also from this triangle, phi is equal to tan inverse root of phi is equal to tan inverse root of 1 minus theta square by theta. അതെല്ലാം അങ്ങ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതിയതാണ് ഇവിടെ. C of t is equal to 1 minus e raised to minus theta omega nt divided by root of 1 minus theta square sin omega d ക്ക് വരും omega n into root of 1 minus theta square t plus tan inverse phi. Tan phi ഇതാണ്, അപ്പോൾ tan phi is equal to അങ്ങനെ എടുത്ത് എഴുതിയതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഒരു എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ, sinusoidal signal and exponential term. And what about the error? Error കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ കഴിഞ്ഞു. Error is the difference between the desired output and the actual output. R of t is equal to 1. So here E of t is equal to this term. E1 minus this. So 1 it will get cancelled and error will become error is equal to this term. This term മാത്രമായിട്ട് പോകും. 1 ഈ r of t minus ചെയ്ത് പോകും. And taking the steady state error, it is equal to 0. That means finally it attains the steady state value. There is no error at steady state when the input is unit step input, and also and for a second order system. The first order system also there is no error at steady state. Here also there is no error at steady state.